Is it audible? Some of you are saying it's not audible. Is it audible? Is a start symbol. Suppose if I take G is having start symbol, then grammar is called as G dash. S is a start symbol, then S dash is an augmented grammar. See, S dash tends to S. Like that, we have an S dash tends to dash, G dash tends to G. That means augmented grammar will be there. So it reaches to the acceptance states. How it will be reaches the acceptance states and all, we'll discuss by taking one small example. See here, before going to go with an example, we'll tell you about kernel items. Kernel items in the sense augmented grammar, already you know, S dash tends to S. Put dot. Before going to move the dot from left side to the right side, first you put the dot, any production, whatever the non-terminal symbol, behind that you put dollar dot first. And all the items with dots are not at the C. Main intention of kernel items, main intention of our grammar production in the sense whose dots are not at the leftmost end of RHS. Dots will not be available at the leftmost end of the RHS. In RHS right hand side, whatever the production is there, the dots would not be at the left side of that RHS. It will be at the final last part. Until unless we reach the dot at the last part, we go on doing the productions. That is the main part of LR. That means SLR, left to right scanning. It can start from that right mode production, left side dot is there, move the dot to the last part, you're writing for right part, so whose dots are not at the leftmost end of the RHS. Like that we have to do. Non-kernel items, definitely dots will be available at the left end of the RHS. Functions, there is two functions are there, closer and then go to. So to create collections of canonical items, we have it is set of prefix in the right sentential form. We have a tends to alpha. This set can appear on stack during shift reduce actions. Definitely we have go closer. See, closer having two function, forum and then go to operations. So we have a closer for a context free grammar. If I is the set of items, we have a closer of items. I is the set of items, and we have function closer of I can be constructed using some rules. See, consider I is a set of canonical items, and initially every item I is added to closer of I. See, if rule, any rule A tends to alpha, see here, after alpha we have dot, just moved. And again, we have a that is spot is there, that will be a closer of I. That will be considered as I. So like that, B tends to gamma. That also one production is there. Then put that production. Again, start see here dot from left side and again move the dot from the left side of the right hand side production to the right side. Just go on moving dot from left side to the right side. Maybe any productions like that will go into consider. But main thing I am highlighting here, whatever non-terminal to the right of the dot, non-terminal symbols immediately to the right of the dot indicates that it has been expanded shortly. That idea, that rules you have to follow. Any non-terminal, immediately that non-terminal right hand side, any dot in the sense that it has to be expanded shortly. Suppose G dot, E in front of E immediately dot is there in the sense E to be expanded shortly. That is nothing but your closer. Go to in the sense same thing, the function that I will explain. The go to alpha dot beta, just we are doing extend. You just move that dot to the next side. That will be the go to. Go to in the sense we go on move that dot to the last part of the production, right hand side part of the production. That is simply shifting of dot. See the return also there is simply shifting of dot one position ahead over the grammar. Just dot will be always one position go on moving from ahead of the grammar symbol. It may be T or it may be terminal or it may be non-terminal, whatever it may be, but we have to move the dot from one terminal symbol to the another part. Or if it is going to reach dot at the end at the right side productions, it will be there, that I will going to reach that dot at the final stage. That is nothing but your go to. See, we take all these in a example. This example clearly if you follow, then can go to the next part. See here, go to this example. See, in this also an examination one. Consider the grammar. Here they're given x tends to xba, compute closure of I and go to of I. They're asking to compute closure of I. Just now we explained closure of I. Whatever the productions they are mentioned, that will be the closure. See, only one production they are given. I, that will be the I. I tends to I will be the single production. X tends to XB is there. Put dot. I told, first we have to put the dot immediate to the particular immediate right of that productions. Whatever the arrow mark is there, immediate right of that one, we put dot. That will be the first production, that is I. Closure of I. Then what happens? You write closure. Simply taken I here, but it will be called as closure of I. CLOSURE. Note down this one. Closure of I, that will be equals to x tends to dot. Immediately after this symbol, put dot xb. Then another production also there, x tends to same thing, dot a. Whatever the symbol, immediately put dot and then write the next line. So this closure, this whatever they written, that will be the closure. That can be computed using go to functions. Go to in the sense, we have a two symbols we are using. Closure of I, we are having a one capital letter, that is start non-terminal symbol I comma x. That means single non-terminal, another non-terminal symbol is x. I comma x. What is that I comma x? Whenever you take an I also and then x also, shift one position dot, then it will be x dot b. Oh yeah, x dot b. Next, what happens? Go to of I comma a. Here also we have a two symbol I and then a, ends with a a. So we take this go to similarly I comma a, because we are having only single production, x and x already have taken. Next is a, we have to taken. Similarly go to I. In the same I in the same closure of I, another terminal symbol is there, that is a. So I comma a, x tends to a. You can also write as x tends to a dot. You write it as a dot. Dot to be moved from one, or immediately we have written dot first. And after a, we have to put that. After a, if I put in the sense, we reached the goal. Here at the dot will be at the end of the position. So that x a dot will be reached. So closed. Then here also x dot b. So again, after moving one more step, we have a go to x dot b will be the final answer. So this is the way we're going to analyze. After moving, at least non-terminal symbol will be at the last stage. In behind that dollar dot is there, or else dot will be at the last stage. Like that, we have to make for the closer canonical items. So we have a dot at the end, or dot after dot, one terminal symbols will be there. That makes you to close the grammar productions. And they are also same thing. We have to follow the same examples in the same different manner. Here in this example, they are given 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are having here. S tends to AS bar B. AS is one production, B is one production. I'll put dot dot dot. Beginning only I'll put dot for every production. S tends to dot AS, S tends to dot B, A tends to dot SA. So this is called as closure of I. Everything will be included here. Productions all are included in the I. So I naught. Start with the I naught in the sense, first productions is I naught. I naught S tends to dot. I naught in the sense, first whatever is available here, everything will be called as I naught. I naught, that means S tends to dot B, everything will available. Then I naught to I1. I naught to I1, what is the first symbol here? A here. After dot we got first symbol is A. Go to I naught comma A. I naught comma A in the sense, put move the dot from one position. It becomes A dot S. B, S tends to same as it is. Remaining all are as it is. Just I am taking only A. So we have to move the dot from A. In front of A, we have to put A. That we should be because of I1. Next, I2. I2 is what? Another production is S tends to dot B. Write this S tends to dot B is there. Move that B to the last. This makes you to end. Because S and B will be, dot will be last part will be there. Right side of the productions will be there dot. So end. I go to I naught comma B, it will be closed. Then I3, go to our third one, A to S dot A. So S dot A, what happens? A tends to dot SA. What is this one? A tends to, see, S dot A. Here I am putting first dot SA. See, starting from dot SA. Dot SA in the sense, already you know, A and S already we did now. So we have one more production, A tends to dot A. So A tends to dot A in the sense, already you know, S tends to dot AS. Already they written here, S tends to dot AS, S tends to dot B. Put it everything here. Whatever is there, put it everything here. This is under the I not come, because S is a start symbol. Already I have written S is a start symbol. I naught comma S. We are starting from I naught comma S. Because of this, S tends to B part is over. Next come to I naught. I naught in the sense, from here only we are taking. From I naught to starting symbol, whatever we are taken, starting symbol we are taking. Just we are moving the, either it may be dot AS or A dot S or S dot A. Because of S will be the starting symbol. We are taken A will be the first symbol. B will be the terminal symbol. and yes will be the another start, because I told, whenever one thing I told here, whenever dot will be present, whenever dot c dot yes is there, definitely use it. Hello, hello. If any yes is present, that means after dot any non-terminal symbol present, immediately to be reduced. See here also, after the s dot a, we have again we have to reduce the thing. Therefore, we'll go on considering the a. See, a tends to s dot a. Here only they are given yes. After this one, we have a s dot a. A whenever after a dot non-terminal symbol is, immediately we have to immediately we have to write it here. Again, dot s is there. Again, what happens, a is there after the dot, again we have to reduce dot a. Like that we have to produce the productions. So after this one, we have to consider the next I4 also same thing. I4 fourth one, we have immediately they written fourth production dot a. Shift a one position, it will be a dot. So these are the things we'll going to consider. So next we move to the another example. See, this you can study by your own. After knowing all these things, this is one fine example I will going to tell you. Remaining you can only solve. See here, how many? This is an examination one, 12 marks question. See, S tends to AA, one closer. S tends to AA. They are only given. This is first closer.